Yo, what is going on? So this is how to apply coin airdrops. So the first, you're gonna find airdrop opportunities. You're gonna utilize online resources such as airdrop.io to discover and filter airdrops for October 2024. You can also follow reputable cryptocurrency news sources and projects announcements. You can verify legitimacy of these opportunities. Make sure the airdrop is legitimate by checking the project's website, social media, and reviews. Be cautious of scams and fake airdrops. You're gonna connect to your wallet. Follow the airdrop's instructions to connect your cryptocurrency wallet. Make sure the wallet is compatible with the airdrop's requirements. You're gonna complete tasks if that's necessary. Some airdrop require completing simple tasks such as joining a Telegram group, reposting on Twitter, etc. So you're gonna wait for airdrop distribution after completing task. If required, wait for the airdrop distribution. This may occur immediately or at a later date, depending on the project schedule. Claim your airdropped coins. Store and secure your airdropped coins. Make sure to store your new coins in a secure wallet and consider diversifying your portfolio by spreading them across multiple wallets or exchanges. And that is everything to know.